Let's draw something cute today. You can draw a circle or ellipse shape for the head, whatever you are comfortable. Then draw two cute ears, double circle for the eyes, two small eyebrows, one tiny nose, and one smiley mouth. And if you really want, you can draw some hair on the top of the head, and you will see this creature is going to be really cute. You can do lower lip. On the top of the nose there is a small line, and you can highlight this nose if you want, and then you can start doing the hand and legs, everything slowly by slowly. Once you are done, you can trace this one or outline this one with any marker if you want. If you don't want, that's totally fine. And later in this video I'm going to color this one. I did not use so many pencil color. I just used two color pencil. One is dark brown and one is light brown. If you don't have, you can use pencil. You can sketch with the pencil. That's totally fine. And I'm almost done in this video. I'm done with the tail parts. What do you think? It's really cute, adorable. Now you, if you want to color, you can pick your colors and start coloring. Whenever you need it, just pause this video and try to figure it out. Wherever I'm coloring, try to do that way. You will get exactly like that.